In today's video, I will walk you through how to cash out funds from Square. To get started, load up squareup.com and sign in to your account. Once you are signed in, look to the left corner of the screen and click on Banking. This will open a menu down the side of the screen. From that menu, click on Balances. This will open the balance section of your account. In this area, you will be able to see the amount of money currently available in your balance. Next, scroll down and click on Transfer Settings. This will take you into the Transfer Settings section where you can manage how your funds are transferred out of your account. Inside the Transfer Settings area, you will see the option for Transfer Speed. This option allows you to transfer your current sales balance in 1 to 2 business days, same day or immediately, including on weekends. Instant transfers include a 1.95% fee based on the amount you transfer, and the funds are usually available in your bank account within around 20 minutes. To continue, go ahead and link your bank account if you have not already done that. Enter your bank account details in the required fields and save the information so your account can be used for transfers. Once your bank account has been linked successfully, click on Transfer Instantly. After selecting that option, you will be able to choose the amount of money that you want to transfer from your Square balance. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw, review the details shown on the screen, and then confirm the transfer. After the transfer is processed, the funds will be sent to your linked bank account. That is how you can cash out and withdraw funds from your Square account. Thank you for watching.